Didn't you hear the crosswalk? It said wait.
No, come on.
All right, Coach Hunter here with my man Jeremy. What's up, guys? And we're going in to talk a little bit about how you can get your nutrition under control, especially when you go to a delicious place like Rock City Coffee. We're headed in there now. We're gonna talk about how you can make nutrition simple when you're going out to eat. Let's head on in.
I'm gonna need 12 gallons of coffee. Okay, so I gotta say something right off. I didn't know you didn't like coffee.
Oh, really?
I didn't know that.
Well,
Why don't you like coffee? What about coffee don't you? I mean, it's like magical. It's warm.
Yeah,
It gives you energy. It like makes the morning worth getting up for.
yeah, it gives you a reason to live.
Yeah, I mean, with 4 kids, like coffee is king.
Well, I don't have 4 kids yet, so that's one
Okay.
You know, I don't know.
But here's the coffee.
Cheers. Do people cheers with coffee?
No.
No. Okay.
But the tea coffee combo, I think.
Oh, okay. It's a new thing.
All right, so here's the thing, man. After yesterday's training session, felt really great.
Yeah.
It was super humbling. Felt great. I was excited to get back in the gym and just to sweat.
You did great, bud.
So like,
You killed it.
Super stoked about that. And like instantly, I was like, okay. I know we haven't talked about dietary stuff, but like instantly, I was like, holy cow! Like if I pay attention to what I'm eating a little bit more, this is going to become easier.
Yeah.
And I haven't been paying attention. I've been doing the typical American thing. I've just been living, and wherever there's food, I just consume food.
Yeah.
And the thing is, I'm on the road constantly filming, and I'm in a different spot. So I've tried to pay attention in the past, and I've like tried things like Whole30.
Yep.
Which I honestly I loved. Like I felt really great after 30 days. But the thing that I found is I found myself in a spot where I couldn't find food.
Right.
Like in a lot of places. So I'd go like durations where I'm like I literally can't eat anywhere.
Yeah.
Like I'm like reading gas station peanuts and it's just like okay, like what am I gonna do? And I tried to keep a food journal and it was just it was daunting.
Yeah.
So kind of hoping that you could help me out today with like kind of what would be a good way to track that like realistically.
Right.
Like what's going to fit into lifestyle where I can, like I said, I want to lose some weight, I want to get healthier, but I want to track what's going into my body to perform at a better rate.
Right.
If this is all I've got for today,
How do you?
I would rather eat than not eat.
Totally. Yeah.
So how do I track that in a responsible way?
Yeah, absolutely. So going back, you know, I think like Whole30 is great, and I think like any plan that you feel like you can stick to for your lifestyle is awesome. Like there's a lot of black and white out there.
Yeah.
And it's just about what's finding right for you.
Yep.
What a lot of our clients and what I think you can find success in is tracking in an app called MyFitnessPal. Now, when you go out to eat, like you said, or when you're on the go, it's a little bit harder to do that. There's some different challenges because you aren't making all the food yourself. You can't weigh it yourself. But as long as you're doing your best when you do go out to eat, to punch it in, you're gonna get a baseline for this is what I'm doing. This is what a normal day looks like. And then you'll be able to compare that to other days, and you'll know what a successful day looks like, and maybe not so successful day, or somewhere in between. You'll learn to define what that looks like. You'll be able to take that data, take that meal, the average of your meals, and say, all right, I've been eating like this for the past 2 months, and these are the results that I've seen in the past 2 months.
Yeah.
And then you can really quick be like, all right, this is either working or it's not. So what we can do today is I'll actually show you when the meal comes over for both you and I. I'll show you how to do that in MyFitnessPal. Again, since we're out to eat, it's not going to be a perfect science. Normally, if we were in a kitchen cooking our own food.
Yeah,
I would
more
have
of a
a food
controlled
scale.
environment.
Right. So we're just going to do our best here.
Okay.
And I think that will help you out. So how does that sound good?
That sounds good.
Awesome.
Learning how to use it in the wild, I think, is going to be key.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, man.
Very good.
Break down this quesadilla. It's super simple. It's super quick. So if we're out to eat, I just want to get it done. You're using what app and how's it work?
Yeah, so you just go to the App Store, Google Play, and download MyFitnessPal. You can create a free account. You don't need the premium. You don't need to spend any money on it.
Okay.
But once you get there, you're gonna hit you're gonna get to a main page, and you're gonna hit the plus sign at the bottom. When you do that, it's gonna give you an option to add in different foods. So I'm gonna click on add in the food, and then you select a meal that you want to add the food in. So for you, it's breakfast, right?
Yep.
So we'll add breakfast. Okay. Once you do that, then we're gonna search for the individual ingredients of that food. So okay. So what do we got? We said one tortilla,
We're
right?
gonna start from the outside in. Yeah, we got one tortilla.
So I'm just gonna type in tortilla.
And I'd say, like, I don't know. I know there's a bunch of different tortilla sizes, but it'd probably be
Yeah,
a large, I'd say, because it's not a small one.
right. So that's a flour tortilla. So like you'll see there's lots of different checks.
Okay.
And you probably want to choose one of those options. And sometimes, if you don't see a check mark on the one you want, you just have to like type it in a little bit different. So like flour tortilla, that's what I'm gonna do. Like let's see. So like, there's also an option to get the check, so you can say checks only, so you're getting the most accurate information. Let's see here.
That's a lot of tortillas.
There's a lot of different options, right? So I'm gonna go with one middle of the ground because I'm not actually seeing exactly what I want. But again, it doesn't need to be perfect.
We're just trying to get close and track something.
Exactly. So I'm gonna do that Albuquerque tortilla. It's a little bit on the higher side. When you go out to eat, sometimes they're gonna cook that tortilla in butter or something, right?
Yeah, I'm assuming that it's like fried.
Yeah. So all right, so we got that.
Go hot, round up instead of down to be safe.
Yes, I would always do that. Okay, number 2, we got the eggs, right?
We got scrambled eggs, so probably 2.
Cool. So we got scrambled eggs. We're gonna type that right in. Search. All right, so it's got one scrambled egg. It's a check mark, so that's what we want.
So
we're
double
just,
down, right?
Yeah, we're gonna switch that to number of servings. Make it 2. Okay, cool. So it's gonna put us at 182 calories for the scrambled egg. Okay.
Boom.
Now we've got some cheese.
Cheddar.
Cheddar cheese.
And that's what they said up there.
Okay, so cheddar cheese. How much is in that? Who knows?
Probably a couple pounds.
Yeah, a couple
Probably
pounds.
like 8 pounds.
So, all right, so that's about 4,000 calories. Let's see here, cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna choose an option, 1 ounce. So to give you an idea, your thumb is about a tablespoon. That's gonna equal about 15 grams of protein. Not protein, of fat. So if I come in here, I can kind of get an idea. All right, if I have a thumb of cheese.
Yeah.
The serving it has in here, it has an option for 1 gram. So I'm gonna come in here and just say number of servings.
Yeah, there's probably.
It's like 10 to 15, so let's do like 12.5.
Okay.
Depending on the size of your thumb. Cool, so I put that in there. All right, next up we've got the bacon, right? Bubba bacon.
Yep.
Cool, and how many slices of bacon do we have?
I'd say maybe 2. I mean, it's not super bacon heavy.
Okay, so we got 2 pieces of bacon. And anything else?
That's it.
You gonna down that orange?
I wasn't planning on it.
Okay.
But I mean, let's say I did.
Let's say you did.
I got a wedge of orange.
Yeah, so we'll type in orange.
It's probably like like an eighth of an orange, maybe.
Yeah, so 1 orange. So it only gives out for 1 medium. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna do a decimal or a fraction. So you can do fractions, which is really nice. So 0 and 1, 8. 8 calories.
Yeah, see, I don't know if I can. Yeah, I think that's what I'll cut out.
Yeah.
That 8 calories will probably. That's what's gonna push me over.
Dude,
I'm looking after my health here.
You're gonna lose at least 5 pounds this week.
At
man.
least.
All right, so
Okay.
you know, and you can look at something. So like, look, I did 1/8 of an orange, and it said 8 calories. Like, is that 8 calories? Is it more or less? I don't know. Like, maybe we round up on that. Maybe we say it's 1/6, right? Like, you can play around with it, and it might make more sense to you. But whatever, we'll keep it at that for now.
Silly question. Coffee, black coffee. Like when you're doing this, I'm assuming you're tracking beverages as well.
You got it, right? Because,
So like, what does and doesn't have? I could be wrong, but I don't think coffee has any calories. But
yeah, I mean,
like, does it? Like, let's check.
See if
Like,
Rock City has their stuff in MyFitnessPal, but coffee, you know, it depends. Like, what's in it, right?
Yeah,
so, like,
it's a large black coffee.
Yours is black.
Black.
But if let's say you had creamer, you had
Well, then there'd be something wrong. I'd be in a hostage situation.
It's not good.
If I'm like Hunter, I need cream in my coffee. You know something's wrong.
Well, no, I don't like it.
Just know something's wrong.
You'd be drinking on some tea. All right, so let's do that. So let's just say, I'm gonna just type in Rock City to see if they have it. Rock City coffee. And I don't know what type of coffee that is, but let's just see if they have options. Look, there's some options.
So that's just a medium roast.
Cool. So we'll just do medium.
Because I know when you get into like lattes and stuff like that with the milk, you get a bunch of different things. But
Variations.
yeah.
So look, medium roast, black coffee. Doesn't matter where it's from. The most it's gonna be for you is like 5 calories. So look.
Okay. So I mean,
we'll put Starbucks in there for now.
So it
comes down to for you.
Yeah.
It says this meal right here is 493 calories.
Okay.
If you look at this, it says the cheese is like 49 calories. Like, I feel like we may have gone a little bit under in that.
Yep.
Like, just looking at it. So I'm just gonna like bump it
up a little bit.
Yeah, and like, again, this is an estimation. We just want to make our best guess. So like, let's just take it to 75 calories. I think that's like great.
Yeah, it seems modest.
Cool. All right, so like 524 calories. Like, that's for you, man. That's like a small meal. To be honest, you know. Cool.
All right. Well, I'm just gonna eat this now.
All right. Yeah. I'm starving. How about you?
Yeah, it's done.
Cool.
But that's super helpful. Still can't believe you don't like coffee.
I'm digging this tea. You want to try some of my tea?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Because you've been steeping it for 40 minutes.
Yeah. I don't like any of your beard
You're
hairs
supposed to
in
take
it.
it out.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
you only steep tea for a few minutes. You've got like,
dude,
you've got like a teapot.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be jazzed. I'm gonna be hopping around. I'm gonna be hopping around.
Amateur hour here at Rock City.
Next time we come, I will let you pick out some coffee for me.
You'll drink coffee?
I'll drink coffee. Yeah.
All right.
You'll be proud.
Deal.
We'll be friends again.
Deal.
Oh. I learned that you don't do that with coffee today, by the way.
Well, but that's that's saying he's gonna drink coffee. You're the witness.
Okay.
Witness.
Keep me to it.
All right. What's that thing you said?
Oh.
Small steps.
Small steps. Big results. All right. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite coffee? Or do you have another source of caffeine that you use to get you going in the morning, to give you a reason to live like Jeremy?
It's coffee. It's coffee.